Hi everyone, I'm Seth Johnson. I'm here at CEDIA 2023 in Denver, Colorado, and I'm showing off today our Blackwire's Blacklight design tool. This is a linear lighting design tool that is designed to help installers or integrators design and purchase and install these linear lighting systems the best they can, in a much easier fashion, much quicker fashion, and less error prone than just doing it like off paper or off the back of a napkin. The idea behind this is that you will physically draw out like all your lights. We've got built-in error correction in here, so if your lighting goes too long, it throws an error that the power supply may not be too big. If we look at all of the equipment and everything in here for power supplies, you can tell that this one right here, 90% of the maximum wattage. You may want to swap that out for a larger power supply. If you go over to the sales report, it'll give you a breakdown of all the products, the quantities, and the pricing that you need. We also have a nice convenient add to cart where you can buy the products over at Blackwire Design's website. And for your installers out in the field, we've got a nice install reports where it'll go ahead and generate nice little cutout views of all the fixtures and everything you have, along with fixture descriptions, ID tags, and everything for the job site. All of this is free for our dealers to use. So if you're a Blackwire dealer, there it goes. All the sections are here. You can hand this off to any installer. It's got a PDF export right here, and I believe one of them is open on here somewhere. Yeah, there we go. There's a PDF export with all the parts and pieces that you need, along with all the cut sheets. Any product that you bought or specified in here, the cut sheets will be included with that if you'd like. And you can hand that off to an installer or electrician, and they can get out there and do the job properly with all the parts, pieces, clips, extrusions, everything that you need to get the job done right the first time. And that's available, again, for all of our dealers over at blackwiredesigns.com. Just log in, click the link to go over to the Blacklight design tool, and it'll take you right to this.